In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Bill.com with QuickBooks Online. If you want to connect these two platforms so your financial workflow feels more streamlined, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to click inside QuickBooks Online so you can find the Bill.com integration page and begin the connection process. To get started, log into your QuickBooks Online account and look toward the top right area of the screen. There, click the integration icon. This is the main place where QuickBooks gives you access to connected apps and tools that work alongside your account. So if you ever need to manage or discover integrations in the future, this is a useful section to remember. Once that menu opens, select Manage Integrations. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks organizes integrations you already use, as well as options for discovering new ones. If you don't currently have Bill.com connected, that's completely fine. You're just using this page as the pathway to find the app and begin the setup. From there, click Explore Integrations. This opens the broader integrations marketplace where you can browse or search for apps that connect with QuickBooks Online. Since there are many available options, the fastest way to continue is to use the search field. In the search bar, type Bill.com. As the results appear, look for the correct app listing and select it. This will open the Bill.com app page inside the integrations marketplace. On this page, you'll typically see a brief overview of the integration, along with the option to begin connecting the two platforms. Next, click Get Integration Now. After that, simply follow the on-screen steps provided. QuickBooks and Bill.com will guide you through the remaining connection process, which may include signing in, granting permissions, and confirming that you want the two systems to sync. Just read each screen carefully and complete the prompts as they appear so the connection is set up properly. A quick tip here. During the connection process, make sure you are signed into the correct QuickBooks Online company and the correct Bill.com account before approving anything. That can help prevent syncing the wrong business data. Once you finish the guided setup, your Bill.com account should be connected through the integration process provided on screen. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to start syncing Bill.com with QuickBooks Online.